guys, and welcome back to another episode. Here we have on the bench today the BSA, 70 plus years old this year. So yeah, back on the bench, still going through the final sort of post-ride checks, if you like. I'm just trying to think where we were. So yeah, we've done the gearbox, done all that good stuff, put all that back together. What's left? So there was a couple of oil leaks. One of which I haven't been down since, but to be honest, I didn't get a chance to film anything. So we've got the oil return here. Here's the gubbins that bolts onto it. So wherever I put it, here she is. I haven't got one. I thought I might have one in a little pack of goodness, but this nut. I'll try to focus on it better. Yeah, the thread is just gone. As soon as I tried to tighten it, it wasn't doing anything, to be honest. I'm surprised it stayed on there. So I'm going to track one of them down. Hopefully that will resolve the oil leak down here. I've still got to go through a couple of other oil leaks, so yeah, I might get to that today. But my main focus today is going to be on the front brake. Yeah, it's not pulling back as I'd like, to be honest. It's sort of a bit lax. There's yeah, I think it just needs a bit of pulling apart, a bit of easing and greasing. Yeah, so I thought I'd bring you guys along for it. Nothing too fantastical. Pull it apart, give it a clean, give it an ease, give it a grease, and yeah, hopefully get it all good. So something Mr. Ishman, like I say, the man I bought it off, I've known him for many years. He said this front brake is a bit special. Honestly, I have not got a clue. So yeah, guys, leave some comments if you know anything about it. He said something about what was it? I think it was something to do with the fins on the top here, obviously cooling fins, along with the holes on the back. I'm guessing cooling holes. Yeah, it made it something a bit special. But yeah, guys, please, the more knowledge you can pass my way, the better. So yeah, inform me, teach me, pass it all forward, as it were. But yeah, I'm going to set the camera up, get the front wheel off, and yeah, go from there. Really. See you in a sec. There we go, guys. Nothing really to report. Nice and easy. Just taking the front wheel off. So yeah, just on initial sort of inspections, it's not looking too bad. A little bit glazed. Just going to give it a little tiggle, get it cleaned up. Same with the brakes. The shoes. Plenty of life left on them. Just a little bit glazed up. A little bit gunked up on the actual sort of mechanism. Let's try and do this on the dreaded one-handed. So, there we go, the impossible dream. Yeah, see if I can get a better focus on that. So yeah, just a little bit gunky. I think the springs are alright. They've probably seen better days, but it's yeah, going to give everything a clean up, strip it down, give it a clean up. Make it all nice. For you guys who out there who I don't know, you might be watching this as an education more than anything, and beware, this is entertainment purposes only. But I'll give you a quick education. So obviously braking is all down to friction. So you got this hub that sits inside here with the shoes on the spring on the cam. As you pull the lever, that turns the cam, which then pushes the shoes, gives it a bit of friction around the outside, and slows you down. Only problem with this bike is you pull the lever and, well, yeah, not much happens, to be honest. So it'd be nice to have a bit more breakage behind me. But yeah, like I say, very simple. Done the world good for many years, and still does now. We've still got shoes and hubs and things like that. So yeah, still does the world good now. Give it, like I say, I'm going to give it a good clean up, and yeah, we'll get it back together. All right, I'll put you on a time lapse. I don't think there'll be much to see, to be honest, but yeah, come along for the ride. There we go, guys. She is back together, and I have given it a little spin, but I will let's try and set this up. Not too high, too low, just good. So she is spinning beautifully, no binding, and oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that is beautiful, if I do say so myself. So yeah, just the action up here, it's yeah, a lot better than it was. You can see from behind there, it's almost like I look into my eyes, not around my eyes. If anyone remembers, a bit of Little Britain there. I think it was Little Britain. I am waffling a bit now. But yeah, like I say, that's the front brake done. Nice, short, sharp, quick one for you guys today. Unfortunately, I can't test ride it because I've got that return oil line issue. So yeah, you just have to stay put, guys. As soon as I get that up and going, I will certainly get her on the road. I'm very much looking forward to it. And I'll give her another good shakedown. Hopefully, yeah, less oil leaks and more go on her. Get a nice little ride under me there on her. All right, guys, till next time. Have a good one. Take it easy. Bye.